Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to request money via Interac e-transfer on CIBC. If you don't have a CIBC account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50. To start, open the website, then sign in with your card number and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Interac e-transfer. On the sub-menu, you will see an option for Request Money. Click on Request Money. First, select the From account. On the Amount field, enter the amount you wish to request. Next, select the account from which you would like to deposit. If you're going to send it as an invoice, you could enter the invoice due date, invoice number. Otherwise, leave it blank. Next, click on the tick box below to confirm that you have an existing relationship with this contact. Once done, click on Send Request. That's how you request money via Interac e-transfer on CIBC. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.